The premium delivery of Koenigsegg, a hypercar experience like no other. Introduction. Koenigsegg is synonymous with extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. When someone purchases a Koenigsegg hypercar, they are not just buying a vehicle, they are investing in an experience unlike any other in the automotive world. The premium delivery process of a Koenigsegg is a testament to the brand's commitment to exclusivity, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. In this article, we will take you through the extraordinary premium delivery experience of a Koenigsegg, from the moment an order is placed to the breathtaking moment the owner takes possession of their hypercar. The ordering process, a personalized journey. The Koenigsegg experience begins long before the car is built. Unlike mainstream car manufacturers, Koenigsegg offers a highly personalized ordering process that allows each customer to tailor their vehicle to their exact specifications. Consultation and configuration. Buyers start their journey by working closely with Koenigsegg's expert team to configure their car. This process takes place either at the brand's headquarters in Älmhult, Sweden, or through an exclusive dealership. The configuration process is a deep dive into Koenigsegg's extensive customization options, allowing customers to choose exterior color and finish, whether it's exposed carbon fiber, a unique paint scheme, or a custom shade. The exterior finish is a crucial decision. Interior materials and design. Customers can choose from a variety of high-end materials such as Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber for their interiors. Performance enhancements. Koenigsegg offers bespoke performance tuning, aerodynamic modifications, and even one-off engineering solutions. Every aspect of the car is meticulously tailored to reflect the owner's personality and vision, ensuring no two Koenigseggs are alike. Factory visit and exclusive experience. Koenigsegg invites buyers to its factory for an immersive experience, where they get a first-hand look at the craftsmanship that goes into building their hypercar. During the visit, customers tour the production facility, a behind-the-scenes look at the assembly process, including carbon fiber manufacturing and engine assembly. Meet the engineers, a chance to speak directly with the designers and technicians working on their vehicle. Witness their car in production. Customers often see their car being assembled, strengthening their connection to the brand. The build process, engineering excellence. Each Koenigsegg is hand-assembled by a select group of skilled artisans. The production of a single car takes months, as every component is carefully crafted to meet Koenigsegg's rigorous quality standards. Carbon fiber mastery. Koenigsegg is renowned for its pioneering use of carbon fiber. Each hypercar's monocoque chassis and body panels are crafted from lightweight yet incredibly strong carbon fiber composites, ensuring maximum performance and safety. Hand-built engines. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, Koenigsegg's engines are built entirely by hand. The company's twin turbocharged V8 engines are among the most powerful and efficient in the world, delivering mind-blowing acceleration and top speeds. Testing and validation. Before delivery, every Koenigsegg undergoes rigorous testing, including wind tunnel testing, ensuring optimal aerodynamics for high-speed stability. Dyno testing, verifying power output and engine performance. Track testing, conducted by professional test drivers to fine-tune handling, braking, and overall driving dynamics. The premium delivery experience. The delivery of a Koenigsegg is not just a handover, it's an event. The brand ensures that taking possession of a Koenigsegg is as extraordinary as the car itself. Option 1. Factory delivery at Koenigsegg's headquarters. For the ultimate experience, customers can choose to take delivery at the Koenigsegg headquarters in Älmhult. This experience includes a private unveiling ceremony. The car is revealed in a dramatic setting, often accompanied by the Koenigsegg team, including Christian von Koenigsegg himself. Comprehensive vehicle walkthrough. Engineers provide an in-depth explanation of the car's features, technology, and driving characteristics. On-track experience. Customers may get the opportunity to drive their car on a track with professional guidance, ensuring they fully understand its capabilities. Option 2. Personalized global delivery. For customers who prefer to receive their hypercar at their home or a designated location, Koenigsegg offers a bespoke global delivery service. This service includes specialized transport. The car is shipped in a climate-controlled, enclosed transporter to ensure it arrives in pristine condition. White glove handoff. A dedicated Koenigsegg representative delivers the car and provides a full orientation, personalized driving tutorial. A professional driver assists the owner in getting accustomed to the car's advanced systems and performance dynamics. Exclusive welcome package. Every new Koenigsegg owner receives a meticulously curated welcome package that may include custom key fob made from high-end materials, often matching the car's design theme. Luxury owner's manual. A beautifully bound guide detailing everything about the car. Exclusive Koenigsegg merchandise items such as jackets, caps, and luggage sets tailored for the owner. The after-sales experience, ensuring a lifetime of excellence. Koenigsegg's commitment to customer satisfaction extends far beyond delivery. Owners are provided with exceptional after-sales support, including concierge-level service. Koenigsegg offers a concierge service that ensures any maintenance, repair, or upgrade needs are handled with the utmost care. This includes on-demand servicing. A factory-trained technicians travel to the owner's location for maintenance if needed. Software updates. Regular updates to optimize performance, similar to high-tech consumer devices. Customization upgrades. Owners can return their car to the factory for bespoke modifications. Exclusive owner events. Koenigsegg organizes private events where owners can meet fellow enthusiasts. Join a global community of Koenigsegg owners. Attend track days. Experience the full potential of their car in a controlled environment. Exclusive brand experiences. Gain early access to new models and limited edition releases. Conclusion: a delivery experience as exclusive as the car. Koenigsegg's premium delivery experience is not just about handing over a car, it's about creating unforgettable memories. From the moment a customer orders their vehicle to the day they take delivery and beyond, Koenigsegg ensures that every step is as bespoke, luxurious, and exhilarating as the car itself. Owning a Koenigsegg is not just about having one of the fastest and most technologically advanced hypercars in the world. It's about being part of an elite automotive legacy, where craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity come together in perfect harmony. If you dream of experiencing the pinnacle of automotive excellence, the premium delivery of a Koenigsegg is an experience that transcends anything the industry has ever seen.